Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CCL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very eventful day in this one. Now, granted, the entire markets got destroyed today, so it's not like the markets were ripping to new highs and then this one was going downwards. But nonetheless, a lot of eyeballs watching this one, myself included, because there's some very interesting levels that are standing out. And that first key, very interesting level, right down here at that round number of $12. If you just go through the history of the day, you can see that the price, whenever it got right around that area, you got to give credit where credit's due. The bulls stepped up and buyers, showed up and gave a bid. But that's a level where, and this is not some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you, people that use charts and understand charts have taken notice of the $12 mark. And I make that comment because when lots of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic movements, and that's exactly what's going on here with that $12 mark. A whole lot of people from longs to shorts and everybody in between are going to be watching that level and wondering, can it continue to hold up? Because if it can't, then there's definitely quite a bit of room for some downside momentum to show up. And now, I'm not saying that if $12 is violated, then the price is, immediately shooting down to $11.65, within, with 10 minutes. But point here being that looking back through the history of the chart, there just isn't any other data points that suggest any other sorts of areas of support until right around $11.65. So point here being, there is definitely some room for some downside pressure to build in the event that $12 mark is violated. Now, on the flip side of things, maybe this is some sort of bottom that's finally forming, and that first key level of resistance that we'll need to be watching. And again, this is one of those levels that a whole lot of people are going to be watching, especially those breakout players, but right here around $12.40. That was the top portion of this channel. So watch $12.40 as that initial area of resistance. If that can be broken, the next key area of resistance after that, right up there around $12.75. But overall, crazy movement, crazy volume, and we'll see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.